Hi, I'm Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams, here today to go over how you can make your room look larger. So, selling's all about making your rooms look bright and airy and as big as possible, right? And even if you're remodeling, you want to think about that because you don't want to, if you're going to sell in a few years, you want your home to look as best as possible, right? So I wanted to go over a little bit with you so you can get some ideas if you're thinking about remodeling a room. You want to use light colors on the wall and floors, right? And that's very big because once you have dark floors and light walls, it then closes in the room and makes it feel small. So that's important to look at. It also, while you have darker colors, it makes the room feel cozy, yes, but they also absorb the light instead of reflecting it. So it makes that space end up feeling smaller. So you want to opt for lighter colors on both the floor and walls. Make use of hidden storage, whether it be in an ottoman or a multi-purpose item, a coffee table. Try to hide things so the rooms can feel less cluttered. Use fewer decorations that are larger. Hang shelves closer to the ceiling that will draw your eyes up towards the ceiling. Use vertical stripes that elongate the space. So just like vertical stripes on clothing, a striped rug will make your room appear longer. And you want those stripes to run the length of the room that is longest. Leave your windows uncovered to give the room more depth. So light gives space depth. If you're worried about covering the windows and you want something there, Roman shades or blinds are a great option that don't leave the room as crowded feeling. Buy plexiglass or glass items. They're in right now and are great because they provide an added function without taking up too much visual space. Furniture with exposed legs is key. Instead of a sofa or a boxy chair that's a big piece, opt for a couch or a sofa chair with exposed legs. It's perfect for a small space. Next, strategically place mirrors to create the illusion of more space. So placing a mirror across from a window is best because it reflects the light and makes the room feel larger. For these tips and more, these types of tips and more, stay tuned every Wednesday. I'm always happy to help. If you have any real estate question, feel free to reach out. Until next time, I'm Christina Swain with the Swain team of Keller Williams.